Counting backwards with a for loop. A for loop can also count backwards, so long as we can define the right conditions. In order to decrement by 2 each iteration, we'll need to change our initialization condition. Our initialization, our condition, and our final expression. So we'll start at I is equal to 10 and loop while I is greater than 0. We'll decrement I by 2 each loop with I minus equals 2. So here we have an example of this. We have variable r_array set to an empty array. We have our for loop with the following conditions. Variable I has been set to a value of 10. As long as I is greater than 0, our code will run. This is our condition statement, and our final expression is I will be decremented by 2 each iteration as long as this condition is true. Inside of our code, we have that the value of I, inside of our loop, we have that the value of I will be pushed into our array as long as the condition is true. Our array will now contain the values 10, 8, 6, 4, and 2. Let's change our initialization and final expression so we can count backward by 2s by odd numbers. So we need to push the odd numbers from 9 through 1 to my array using a for loop. Let's do that right now. We have variable my array set to an empty array for us, and we need to declare our statements. So variable I should be set to 9, since we're counting backwards from 9. Our conditions should be as long as I is less than or equal to, greater than or equal to 1, our code should run. And our variable I should be decremented by 2 each time this code runs. We also need to push the value of I into variable my array. So let's log our variable into the console and see if we are correct. And there we go. We've successfully counted backwards from 9 to 1, decrementing by 2 by using a for loop. There you go.